Hi, we're going to start with the scenario testing right now, and we're going to start with the user for registration. So at first, we're going to see all the error messages that are going to pop up and check for the negative scenarios. And after each negative scenario, we are going to take a screenshot, which we'll show at the end. Here you can see we have tested all the error messages that we can possibly have. And now we're going to test the condition where we've successfully put all the fields in. We have inserted a registration for each user, that is admin, facility manager, repairer, and user. Now we have jumped to login and we have checked all the negative conditions for login. Now we're going to check for the positive condition of login. We're going to do so for all the users. Now let's view a profile. Now let's start with the functions of the admin. The first function is going to be to view a specific profile, and we're going to check with the negative conditions first. Now we look into the positive conditions of a view specific profile. And now we're going to look at the function change user role, which had a negative scenario. And now a positive scenario. Now let's look at the functions of a user. The main function of the user here is to report a problem. So first we log in with the user and then check the negative conditions for report a problem. Here we check all the error messages which are possible. And now we're going to make a successful entry, which has already been made. Now let's look at the functions of a facility manager. The first function we're going to look at is view unassigned repairs. And here we are going to verify the headers and the content of our view page. Next, we're going to view specific unassigned repair. So first, let's look at the negative scenario. And now we're going to jump up and look at the successful scenario. As you can see, every scenario, we log in with a specific user, and that's done at every point. Now, finally, we're going to look at the successful scenario. Now, let's look at the repairer functions. The first function is going to view my specific repairs. So here we're going to verify the headers and the content of the view page. All right, now we're going to do view selected repairs.